Now, stock market is a place where investors connect to buy publicly listed companies in the stock market. I've done quite a number of videos about investing in stocks this year, and yeah, I've been receiving quite a number of questions. How do we start? How do we analyze a stock? I'm still going to cover that on this one. Video, I want to talk to you about how you can find yourself investing abroad in the US whilst you are in South Africa. How to start earning in dollars in the US while you are sitting here in South Africa. And this is made possible, or it's very much possible, investing in the stock market. You can invest into publicly listed companies in the US, ETFs in the US. It's so amazing of what today's world is offering for people to participate or to find themselves becoming active real investors or retail investors, not investing into South Africa but also outside of South Africa, which is something that is just so great, something that is amazing, and it makes me to be very excited when I talk about this. But before, of course, we dig deep, please note that whatever I discuss here is not PR advice. If you seek PR advice, you already know what to do, and that is you need to consult the professionals. I'm just a civil engineer who just like doing content about investing into stocks. And yeah, I just hope you are enjoying the content and you are liking, you are subscribing, you are hitting or clicking that notification bell, because 2026, it's a new year, which I believe even our finances ought to improve. Our finances ought to go to the next level. Without wasting, but anyways, without wasting any more of your time, let's get straight into it. So, like I said, stock market is a place where, obviously, unlike other massive investment opportunities that are there, stock market is the easiest one because it offers you an opportunity not only to invest into our country, South Africa, but also you can invest into the US. You can invest into multiple European countries because, look, we have got access, or we've got brokers in South Africa like U.S.A Equities that allows you to buy stocks listed in the US, buy stocks listed in Europe, and this is massive because it opens up an opportunity for you not just to diversify into multiple industries here in South Africa, but you can diversify and invest in South Africa, invest in the US, invest into Europe, and this is an opportunity of a lifetime, which is why you need to take it by both hands. And why is it important for you to invest countries outside South Africa? It's because things can just happen into SA economy and stocks don't move, stocks are crashing. But if you invest also in the US, what might be happening into South Africa stock market wise, it might not be the same as what happens in the US. So it hedge against of what might happen in South Africa. And as an investor starting your investing journey, you must already think about that. If you go and watch the previous videos where I was talking about how to invest in the stock market this year, you will notice that I told you that you can invest into the S&P 500 ETF, which tracks the top 500 companies in the US. So you can also buy it using other exchange traded funds available in the US like Vanguard. The stock market gives you an opportunity to invest into those 500 companies in the US, but it also takes it further, right? You can go and buy Amazon. You can go and buy Microsoft, Google, Apple, Nvidia, Intel, Tesla. You can buy while you are seated here in South Africa. And this shows you the massive opportunity that lies in the stock market. It is why I think everyone should participate into investing in the stock market. So you get an opportunity to investing in the US sitting here. There are so many brokers here in South Africa that allows you to go and buy stocks listed outside of South Africa. U.S.A Equities is one of them. Webull is one of them. Webull is an international platform, but it's also available in South Africa. You can use it. There are also the others. I'm not sure about Frank. I'm not sure about the others, but there are quite a number, including your bank. If you go and check, most South African banks, they've got an option of opening an investment account where you invest into shares, and that is also an option that you can try out and check if they allow you to also buy international assets or international shares or ETFs. So investing in the stock market offers you massive opportunities for you not to only invest in US but to also earn in dollars. Remember, for you to buy Tesla in the US, you need to have a US account, which, like I said, platforms allows you to open a USD or activate a USD account within their platform, which enables you to buy not only ETFs but also individual stocks that side. And when those stocks do well, guess what? You are earning in dollars. And what better way to be rich in South Africa than to earn in dollars, earn in euros, earn in British pounds? It's so amazing, man. And the list is endless. And those people, the people that are going to reap the good rewards of this are those that are taking the first step and obviously find a broker and start maybe also practicing with the demo just to get used to the account and start putting money in the platform to start investing in the stock market. Remember, if I can sum up what I've said this year about investing, it's important that before you start investing, you obviously pay off some of your high interest loans. You have your emergency savings. You must build this. And the third thing, you must also make sure that you are, if you can, you maximize your tax-free savings account, because it offers you, that is the only account that you can have investing your money and you don't pay SARS for any amount of returns or dividends that you get. Then you get to this fourth account where you now are trying to participate into buying individual stocks, not only locally but also internationally. I've counted the countries for you. So it is important that as a stock market investor, you look into these things. It's a must that I think all South Africans should look at the options of opening accounts and starting investing in the stock market, because stock market investing, unlike maybe investing into property, which I also like, it is easy in terms of buying, selling shares, getting your money. It's so easy. And that, my friends, I think it is for that reason that I think everyone should consider it, even if you're not putting all of your money, but try it out, see how it works. I'm telling you, your life will never be the same again. And that, my dear friends, is just, those are just my opinions. Anyways, I don't want to make this video too long. Tell me what you think about this. I will see you on the next one. Don't forget to like, to subscribe, to hit or click that notification bell so that at least you can be notified by YouTube every time I drop a new one. I'll see you on the next one. That is all from me. And God bless you all.